Someone said when you cook more than 4 sachets of noodles, that is no longer noodles, it's not spag. Did you know that the sweetest part of noodles is found in the bottom part? Did you know you can make noodles just like this? Today I made emergency noodles and it came out so nice. If you know the small pack of regular noodles in Nigeria, that's the one I made. 10 packs of noodles. First of all, allowed my water to boil and then went in with my noodles. While the water was boiling, I prepped my tomato mix. When I tell you I made more than 10 packs of noodles, I'm not capping. One thing worthy to note about noodles is, if you really want it to come out nice, allow the water to boil first. When parboiling it, do not cook it more than 3 minutes. While I was trying to parboil the noodles, I went ahead to prep other things as well. I scrambled my eggs and then went in with vegetable oil into a different pan. Sauté my onions and then went ahead with the already chopped pepper mix. I like my noodles very hot and spicy. How do you like yours? Have you subscribed to my channel? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? I'm not a fan of canned food, but you see this Titus is really nice. I added all of this together and added just curry powder, also ginger and garlic powder. If you have tried ginger and garlic paste or powder in noodles, you will never go back. At this point, our noodles was boiled. Remember, you really don't need to over fry your tomatoes and onions. Next thing I did was to transfer my noodles into the already made sauce. When you're making your noodles, do you finish the spices or you use half of it? As for me, it depends on my mood. Sometimes I like it sweet, sometimes I like it like normal food. As my sauce was ready, I went in with already whisked eggs. Fried it a little bit and then added my noodles. Guys, our noodles is ready. Honestly, you really don't need to take so much time. That's why they said it's 5 minutes instant. This is the quickest way to cook your noodles, guys, especially if you have more than one cooking point. I mixed all of that together and that is it. The food is ready, guys. The kids enjoy themselves and even the adults too. Will you be trying this method? I ask again. Well, as you can see, not every time you prepare more than 4 sachets of noodles, it turns to spag. So I say no to that notion, okay? I cover and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes for everything to marry themselves properly. And then the point everybody around was waiting for. This is it. Some people call this light food, but to me, it's a heavy food. As such, I really don't like to serve it at night. I prefer this for breakfast or even lunch. Because as long as I know eating heavy food at night isn't nice to the body. They all went with their food, and this is me scraping the bottom part. And you know what this means? This is the sweetest part, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.